Stars align in twilight's embrace. Whispers of the cosmos trace. Moonlight dances on the waves. In this moment hearts are saved. Planets sing their ancient tunes. Echoes flare beneath the moon's runes. Winds of change in midnight's gaze, guiding souls through cosmic maze. Feel the rhythm of the stars. Light and shadow leave their scars. Flowing water heals the soul. In this universe we're whole. Dawn awakens dreams unseen. Crickets chant in fields of green. Mystic forces carry light through the depth of